Hey guys, we're all hungry here. Let's go check out Giligan's. One of the best spots. So guys, how's the food? Masarap. Okay guys, right here we got sizzling the Sisig. What type of pasta is that, Mama?
It's a bihon.
Bihon. Then also a crispy pata. And Senegal. EJ himself is munching down over there. Hey, what's up, EJ? How you doing, buddy? You doing okay? Hey, Gina, how you doing over there? Doing good?
Hungry.
Ah, get it, kid, get it, get it. Oh yeah, how's the food? Mama, how is it? How is it? Man, look at EJ go. I think EJ's like on his fourth or fifth helping of Giligan. How was it, buddy? Wow. So how is it? Is it good? Very good? That's good. Nice. Oh, okay. Hey guys, I'm already on my second helping. It is so good. Look at that sizzling sisig, bihon, the crispy pata. Oh, so good. Look, you got your double oil, the hot sauce. Man, perfect. And to go with, look at that Pepsi. Perfect combination. You can still hear the spoons and forks clinking in the background. Everybody's just so yummy. Again, guys, thank you for joining us evening. Hey guys, remember, here in the Philippines, there's only two things you need: fork and a spoon. Not to have a fork and a spoon, all you need is your fingers. Right now, here it is by the sea, Giligan. Join me, guys. That's so good. Wow. Let's try this crispy pata. The crispy pata is so good. I'm trying the Sisig, sorry. Now we're going to try the crispy pata. Wow. That's so good. crispy on the outside, very, very tender and juicy on the inside. Just like crispy pasta is supposed to be. That's why Giligan is one of the best places to eat here in SM by the sea, guys. Make sure you go. Hold on, I'm gonna try this Senegal. Oh my god, that's so good. Hold on. Hi guys, as you can see, the rice is already gone. Unfortunately, I can't eat rice because of being diabetic. That's why I concentrate on all the protein and so forth. But here at Giligan's, the garlic fried rice right here is the bomb. Make sure you come. Make sure you order the garlic fried rice. All the food here on the menu, Giligan's is the bomb, guys. So come here, try it out. PJ's Adventures out.